Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming camera permission so the app accesses the lens immediately. This prevents delays. Open your chosen barcode app or the phone's built-in scanner and point the camera roughly parallel to the code. Once framed, move closer slowly until the code fills most of the viewfinder. Avoid glare and shaky hands because focus fails otherwise. Make sure autofocus locks before you expect a read. This speeds recognition and reduces repeated attempts. Next, center the barcode inside the on-screen guide and hold the device steady. You will see the app attempt autofocus and exposure adjustments. If it fails, tap the screen near the barcode to force focus or switch to manual focus mode if available. Once the scanner confirms a read, usually with a beep or highlight, let it process the data. This step decodes format differences like QR versus UPC so the app can route the result correctly. If motion blurs the image, finally review the decoded content and choose the appropriate action. Open a link, copy text, or save an item to history. You should verify the URL or text first to avoid malicious links. This prevents accidental navigation. If the app doesn't read the code, clean the camera lens, increase ambient light, or switch to a higher resolution scanner app. These fixes address blurred or low contrast images. If problems persist, restart the app and try again to clear temporary camera resource issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.